Mr. Locksmith Automotive
Ottawa
has a fully equipped mobile locksmith service truck. In the truck, we have all of the car keys we need for car keys duplication. If you've lost all your car keys, we bring a mobile locksmith service truck to you on site, and we cut the keys and duplicate them and program them all on site. If your keys are locked in your car, we can open up your car, absolutely no damage done to your car at all. So if you've locked your keys in the car, we can open the car, zero damage to your car. If you have a sticky car lock, whether it's the ignition, the door locks, or the trunk, we can repair your sticky car lock. So you don't have to drop your car off at the car dealership. We come to you, we can make the keys to it, program it, and get you on your way very, very quickly and efficiently. So if you have a Honda ignition that's giving you problems, we can fix that. Same thing with the car door lock. We can fix that. Call Mr. Locksmith for all your car locksmith needs. We make keys to most of the major brands out there. So for North American cars, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Ram, Jeeps. Japanese cars, lost your keys or just need a key duplication? Give us a call. We can do Hondas, Mazdas, Acura, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, Lexus, Mitsubishi, and a few others. Korean cars, lost your keys or need a duplicate? These can be a little bit more tricky. So the Kias and the Hyundais, give us a call, give us the year, make, and model, and we can tell you if we can make a key or just direct you to the dealership. Motorcycles, lost your keys to your motorcycle? We can make keys to most of them. The Yamahas, the Hondas, Kawasaki, Harley Davidson, and a few others, scooters, and even some of the electric bikes. Give us a call with the year, make, and model, and we can tell you if we can make keys to it. So for all your car locksmith needs, give Mr. Locksmith a call.